Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English, class 5. I hope all of you are fine by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Today we have to learn about the book OPE, Oxford Progressive English. So students, I am showing you the picture of this book here. This is your book of OPE class 5 that is written by Chris Jacks. Okay, in this book you have total 21 units. How many? 21 units. We have to read first of all unit number 1, expeditions, page number 2. So students, I must tell you, we have made our WhatsApp groups for students easiness, and we have also made our YouTube channel. We will share our links in our WhatsApp groups. You can check our videos on daily basis. So students, this is your book of OPE, unit number 1, lesson number 1, expeditions. In this lesson we have to read about two topics, number 1 vocab and number 2 grammar. First of all, what is said in this lesson, I will tell you. It is said that talk about the picture, what they have just done. Here I have underlined this word just. I will tell you what is the meaning of this word here. So first of all, we have to read all these conversations and I will tell you the meaning of these. So first of all, it is he has just, he apostrophe s. You can see this is he apostrophe s. It is not he is, it is he has. This tense shows present perfect tense. This tense shows present perfect tense in which the word is used just. He has just broken his spade. Spade means stick of an spade which we use to dig the earth. Okay. Number 2, he has just hurt his finger with a hammer. He has just hurt his finger. He has just hurt his finger with a hammer. So you can see the boy has hurt his finger with hammer. Number 3, he has just found a coin. He has just found a coin. You can see in this picture what the boy has done. He has just found a coin. Number 4, she has just dropped her knife. She has just dropped her knife. She has just put up a cloths line. You can see she has just put up a cloths line. Number 6, she has just cut her hand. As you can see in the picture, the girl has cut her hand with knife. He has just lit a fire. Lit a fire. He has just, what he has done? What has he done now? He has just lit a fire. And number 8, he has just fallen off a cliff. He has just fallen off a cliff. A cliff means a small mountain or a small rock. A big one is called mountain, but a small one is called cliff or rock. Okay. So first of all, we have to know about the lesson vocab. So as you can see here, I have written unit number 1, lesson number 1, expeditions. Students, you can see unit number 1, lesson number 1, expeditions. So first of all, it is vocabulary means some words that I must think you may know are expedition and equipment. Expedition means journey organized for a particular purpose. We call it journey, but why do we call it expedition? Means it is a particular type of journey. Journey organized for a particular purpose is called expedition. Number 2, equipment. You can call it equipment. Equipment means accessories, attachments or things. Attachments or accessories means things that you carry along yourself to a tour, on a trip, or for a journey. So meaning of expedition equipment means accessories or things undertaking for a journey. Expedition equipment means accessories for things undertaking for a journey. here we have two words. How many? Two words. We have to know the meaning of these words here, and you must memorize the meaning of these two words, and also the purpose of expedition equipment. So it means accessories or things undertaking for a journey are called expedition equipment. Okay, so now move to our next topic. It is grammar. As you can see, I am pointing out here, written with orange color pen, grammar. What is it? Grammar. What is it? That we had a topic that we read in the sentence, he has just broken his spade, or here you can see present perfect. So in grammar we have a topic, tense. What is the meaning of tense? Tense is a Latin language word. Tense is a Latin language word that means tempus. Latin language word tempus, that means time. The word tense is taken from Latin language word tempus, or derived from Latin language word tempus, which means, or that means, time. So students, we have three types of time or tense. We have three types of tense or time. First is called present, second is past, future, number three, future. In these tenses we have also their subtypes. For an example, in present tense, first of all we have present simple, then we have present continuous, on number third we have present perfect, and number four we have perfect continuous. These four tenses are used in present. Okay, so as I told you earlier, the word tense is derived or taken from Latin language word tempus, that means time, and we have three types of tenses or time: present, past, and future. So I told you there are four subtypes or parts of present: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to read about present perfect tense. We have to read about present perfect tense, as according to your lesson book page number 2 and exercise or conversation. This is your conversation, starts from number 1. Okay, this conversation is consisted on 8 statements. We will read about them. Now we have to know what the tense defines. So present perfect tense, the word perfect means complete. First of all, understand the meaning of word perfect. Perfect means complete. Okay, present perfect tense means, present perfect tense shows that an action is completed recently, or an action is completed in recently, is called in present perfect tense. In this tense we have helping verbs have and has. We will use with subjects or by subjects have and has. Have will be used with I, we, you, I, we, you, they, plus plural subjects. For example, I have a sentence in Urdu: अहमद और राफे गेम खेल चुके हैं. I have a sentence in Urdu: अहमद और राफे गेम खेल चुके हैं. So here we have two subjects, not a singular subject. We have two subjects, Ahmad and Rafe. So what we have to do, we have to use have. Ahmad and Rafe have played game. Ahmad and Rafe have. But when we use only Ahmad, so Ahmad has played. When it will be more than one subject, it will be used with have. Okay, I, we, you, they, plus plural subjects. Number 2, helping verb has. Has will be used with he, she, it, plus singular subjects. As I told you, if there is only one person who does the work, will be used with has. has verb, helping verb will be used with singular subjects. Okay, so students, every single tense has its own specialties. Like present simple has only helping verbs do and does. Present continuous has is, am, are. Present perfect has have and has. Have and has. Along with this, there are changing of the form of verb used with these tenses also. In this tense, we can use past participle or third form of main verb. The past participle, or it is called third form of main verb, will be used by subject in this tense. So students, I must tell you what is the difference between main verb and helping verb. So as you can guess that help means, or helping verb means such verbs that helps or improves our tense, to understand easily. Okay, main verbs are the work by itself. Okay, main verbs are work by themselves. Clear? Present perfect tense, perfect means complete. What is used in this tense? Here, he has just. Why just word is used in every sentence? So I will tell you, this tense is called present perfect tense, means a work is completed recently, very recently, is called in perfect tense. But when just word is used with it, it also tells us recent, about the recent work. It tells us about a recent work that has completed nearly. So the just word means now, just a few moments ago. It means just a few moments ago, the work that has completed few or some moments ago. It is done recently. Okay, so this was our topic. I will repeat it for you. Lesson number 1, expeditions. Expedition means journey organized for a particular purpose. If you want to go in North Pole, South Pole, or in South Africa's forest, or in Sahara Desert, you will go on expedition, not journey. Journey is a simple word that we do from one place to another place. But when we have to go to search for something or explore the world, we will use the word expedition. Expedition means journey organized for a particular purpose. Number 1, vocab you have to know. Number 2, equipment. Equipment means accessories, attachments. Expedition equipment means, now the meaning of both these words. Means accessories or things undertaking for a journey. Okay. Number 2nd topic, grammar. So first of all, we have to know tense. Tense is a Latin language word, tempus, taken from word tempus, that means time. So we have 3 types of tense or time: present, past, future. Present means that is happening now. Past means that was completed. Future means it will come. The time will come. Past means the time that was past. Present means that is happening. The time is happening now. So we have 4 subtypes of this: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. We have to read now present perfect tense. Helping verbs are have and has. Have will be used with I, we, you, they plus plural subjects. Has will be used with he, she, it plus singular subjects. Okay, and help main form of main verb will be used past participle, or it is called third form of main verb. Okay, will be used by the subject in this tense. Okay, clear? So students, this was our first lecture from book ORC class 5. I hope all of you can understand my language and this lecture. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to read present perfect tense and make out some sentences in your homework. You have to make some sentences which shows present perfect tense. Okay, so students, today's lecture ends here. We will meet in second lecture inshallah. Still stay home, save lives. Allah Hafiz.